Hello, I'm Colin. Today I want to show you how is the coffee brewing with my machine. Let's check. First, let's make a cup of espresso. Our original idea was to design a fully automatic coffee machine for home and small office. So the dimension is very special. This moment, the width is only 165 centimeters. And the water tank can be placed sideways. Okay, check the coffee brewing. This is the result of the coffee. Sure, in a different coffee blending and roasting, the result will be different. But meanwhile, the machine should be in good situation. For example, the temperature. Now we make Americano. Okay, we make a cappuccino. I prepared a bottle of milk beyond and insert the milk tube. Let's try. Because we have only one boiler inside the coffee machine, so we need to use the venturi milk frothing functions. The temperature of the boiler should increase to a steam function first, then make coffee. Okay, this is the result of the cappuccino. Okay, so this is the result of the espresso and cappuccino. Today, let's stop here. Tomorrow I want to introduce other beverages of brewing with my machine. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.